Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert. Today we will discuss about Ashoka, which is a very effective herb in Ayurveda and it is mainly used in female reproductive problems. Now let's start. Ashoka, which is also known as Saraka Ashoka, it is one of the sacred plant of India. Ashoka means one that removes sorrow. Due to its association with Ramayana, it is also known as Ashoka tree of Sita. Ashoka is thought to bring blessings and positive energy. Now we'll discuss about classical synonyms of Ashoka. Ashoka relieves pain and grief in women's. Hem Pushpa, its flowers are golden color. Tamrapallav, due to its copper red leaves. Stri Priya, as it is widely used in female disorders. Pind Pushp, its inflorescence is globous. Gandh Pushp, its flowers are aromatic. Raktak, due to its red-orange flowers. Now we'll discuss about vernacular names of Ashoka. In English it is known as Ashoka. In Sanskrit it is also known as Ashoka. In Hindi it is known as Ashoka. In Telugu it is known as Asoka, Asokapatta. In Tamil it is known as Asokam and Asogam. In Gujarati it is known as Asos Palka. In Punjabi it is known as Ashok. In Kannada it is known as Ashok Damra. Now we'll discuss about classical categorization of Saraka Ashoka. According to Acharya Charak, it is categorized under Kshayaskand, that means herbs with astringent taste. Vednastapan, that means herbs that relieves pain. According to Acharya Sushrut, it is categorized under Lodradigan. Now we'll discuss about ancient verse of Saraka Ashoka. Ashokah Sheetal Stikto Grahi Varnyah Kshayakah Dosh Apachi Trisha Daha Krimi Shosh Vish Asrajit. According to above shloka, Ashoka contain cold potency, bitter and astringent taste, and absorbent, that means grahi properties. It helps in improving skin tone, manage bleeding disorder, poisoning, desiccation, indigestion, dyspepsia, burning sensation, and worm infestation. Now let's talk about morphology of Ashoka. Ashoka tree resembles with mango tree and having a height of about 10 meters. The leaves of Ashoka are 9 to 10 centimeter long, red colored, tender, similar to mango leaves. Its flowers arranged in clusters, orange to dark red and attractive. The pods of Ashoka are flat, 8 to 25 centimeter long, contain 5 to 6 flattened seeds. The seeds of Ashoka are 2.5 to 3 centimeter long and flat. The bark of Ashoka is thin, 5 to 12 mm thick, grayish brown in color, bitter, tough and fibrous. The leaflets of Ashoka are 3 to 6 pairs, oblong, 3 to 9 inches long, 2.5 inches wide. Now we'll discuss about habitat of Ashoka. Ashoka found in abundance in Burma, Central and Eastern Himalayas, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and West Bengal. Now we'll discuss about scientific classification of Ashoka tree. The kingdom of Ashoka is plantae, Its division is
Magnoliophyta.
its class is
Magnoliosida.
order is Fabaceae, family is Leguminosae, its genus is Saraka and its species is Ashoka. Now we'll discuss about pharmacological properties of Ashoka tree. Its ras or taste is tikt, that means bitter, kshay, that means astringent. Its physical property or gun are ruksh, that means rough, lagu, that means light. Its virya or potency is cold, that means sheath. Its post digestion effect, that means vipak, is katu or pungent. Ashoka helps to balance kapha and pitta dosh. Now we'll discuss about chemical constituents of Ashoka tree. Ashoka contains ceracolin, hydroxyproline, narcotin, quercetin, chemiferol, isoquercetin, gallic acid, ellagic acid, saponins and glycosides. Now we'll discuss about properties of Ashoka. Ashoka helps in pradar, that means abnormal vaginal bleeding, yoni vyapad, that means female reproductive problems, trishna, that means it helps to relieve excess thirst, dahar, that means it relieves burning sensation, vishagan, that means it helps to remove poison, vranropak, that means it helps in wound healing, hridaya, it is effective for heart, gulm, that means it helps to manage lump. Therapeutic properties of Ashoka. Ashoka contains anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, astringent, analgesic, diuretic, tranquilizer, antidyspeptic, anthelmintic, hemostatic and anti-edematous properties. Now let's discuss about effect of Ashoka on different systems. Let's discuss about circulatory system. Ashoka contains hemostatic properties, thus helps in hemostasis and internal bleeding management. On digestive system, due to its astringent, antidyspeptic and anthelmintic properties, it helps in management of diarrhea, polydipsia, dysentery and helminthiasis. On nervous system, due to its tranquilizer effect, it helps in management of painful disorders due to vitiation of vata dosha. On reproductive system, as we already know, Ashoka is very effective for female reproductive problems. It provides strength to uterus and endometrium muscles, relieves pain in uterus and uterine discharge. It also helps to manage leukorrhea, dysmenorrhea and menorrhagia. On urinary system, due to its diuretic properties, it helps in the management of dysuria and calculi. Now we'll discuss about part use of Ashoka. Mainly the bark, seeds and flowers are widely used in formation of various Ayurvedic formulations. Now we'll discuss about doses of Ashoka. Its seed powder or churn is used at a dose of 1 to 3 gram. Its flower powder is used at a dose of 1 to 3 gram. The bark decoction of Ashoka is used at a dose of 10 to 20 ml. Now we'll discuss about special classical formulations of Ashoka, that is Ashoka Risht, Ashoka Grit and Ashoka Shirpak. Now we'll discuss about some home remedies of Ashoka. For diabetes, dried flower powder of Ashoka at a dose of 1 to 3 gram can be taken with water once daily. For leukorrhea, powder of Ashoka bark can be taken with mishri once or twice daily. In case of heavy periods, 10 gram of Ashoka powder is boiled in 2 cups of water and reduce to half. Take it empty stomach twice daily. In wound management, wash wounds and non-healing ulcers with Ashoka bark decoction. For mouth ulcers, Ashoka flower and coconut pulp can grind and add mild black pepper, salt and coriander. Take 1-2 teaspoons once or twice daily after meals. In injured bones, paste of Ashoka bark can be soaked in water overnight and can be applied in morning. Now let's discuss about Planet Ayurveda products which contains Ashoka. These are Ashoka Rist, Ashoka powder, Gynaculp, female health support capsules, Leucoplan syrup, Femoplan syrup. Thank you. I hope you all like information about Ashoka. If you have any queries regarding any home remedies or anything else, you can mail us on herbalremedies123@yahoo.com. Thank you everyone.
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या, अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।